Let's dive into a delicious vegan butter burger recipe that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Start with a hearty plant-based patty. Think black beans or lentils mixed with spices and breadcrumbs for that perfect texture. Cook it on medium heat until it's golden brown. Now, for the star of the show, vegan butter. Melt a generous tablespoon on top of your patty just before it's done cooking. This adds a rich, creamy flavor that elevates the whole burger experience. For the bun, choose a soft whole grain or brioche-style vegan option. Toast it lightly for that extra crunch. Load it up with fresh toppings, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and maybe some avocado for creaminess. Don't forget a dollop of your favorite vegan mayo or a tangy mustard to tie it all together. Assemble your burger, take a big bite, and enjoy the explosion of flavors. This vegan butter burger is not just a meal, it's a celebration of taste that even non-vegans will love.